for visiting our site of our Instagram service Starqwerty. Our service is very useful and can help you to promote your business or your own account in Instagram. Our service is the cloud service, so you don't need any software installing on your computer. You don't need to launch this software every day, every time. You just need to set up your account one time in our service and going for your deals or your jobs. So I'd like to introduce our service. Here in the terms, you can find the terms of service. Please read these terms of service carefully for the first time. Then in the prices you can see our prices, and you see that if you're buying more days, you will have bonus for days. So get promoted with our service now. In this folder guide, you can find a short guide, text and image guide to our service with the most important features. In the freaking asking questions, you can find a lot of answers to the ordinary questions. So this folder will help you. Just clicking contact us, you can contact our support. And also in your dashboard, it's the folder support where you can connect directly to our support team. And we'll answer you in 24 hours after you set up a ticket for us. Our service, Starqwerty, is the international service, so we have a multi-language support. Now we have two languages, Russian and English, but in the September we will add 20 more languages, also some European languages and Asian languages, of course, because we have clients from all over the world, and Starqwerty is an international service, of course. So for the first time, if you're looking forward to work with us, you need to sign up for our service. You need to have your own email, which will be your login, and of course you need to set up 8-character password. After you did that, you will receive a special letter to your email, and you need to go for the link in this email to set up your to finish your registration. Please add our email address to your whitelist email and remove it from the spam folder, because after you approve our registration, you'll receive the letters from us with our updates, and of course you will receive emails which dedicated to your accounts. And in these for these emails you can find a lot of tips for your account, and it will be very useful for you. So after you're logging in, you're in the dashboard. Have a look on the dashboard. In the left corner, you see all time you have for your dashboard, for your main account. You can buy as many times as you need here using PayPal, and for Russian users we have Robocas, and for worldwide users we have PayPal in dollars. And you see that when you're buying more time, you receive bonuses in days. Here you can see the button, how it works. Just press on this button and you'll see this tip where you can find the main information about setup of your account and about different modes of our servers. So here you can see your login, you can see the support folder, so you can create here a new ticket, just add header and your problem, and then you need to you need to click on create ticket, and in 24 hours will help you. Of course, you have billing history and you can log out. Uh, Here in the folder of accounts, you can add your account to our service. Just click on this button before you need to log out from your current Instagram account from the website Starqwerty.com, and then you need to log in and to connect with our service. After you connected with our service, you can see your account here, and then you need to go to the settings, then scroll down, and then in the bottom you can see this folder Instagram password. You need to type here your Instagram password from the account you need to promote and need to save. This Instagram password not for us, it's for the new Instagram API, the special interface for developers. So we didn't store your Instagram account, so be sure for its security. Have a look for some settings. When you first add Instagram account to your dashboard, you need to add account time. So in the left corner you can see your all days. When you're a first user, you'll receive automatically 3 days for test drive, and when you're buying our first package for 30 days, you'll receive 1 day bonus. So for the first time when you're buying 30 days, you will receive 34 days here. To start working, you need to add account time from your main account to your account you need to promote. From here, for example, to this account. So the first one, you need to click on the button Add Account Time, and then to type here which days you need to add to this account to promote it. For example, 2 days. You're typing and then clicking OK, and you see that now this account has 63 days, and it was 61, and here it was 2063, and now 2061 days. Also, you can remove time from your account to the main time account. So you need to just press the same button at account time, and then just click on the minus, and then number of days you need to remove, for example 2. Then click OK, and you see that this account now has 61 days and these 2063 days. So your steps again, you need to add account, then you need to type password for your account here and click save, and then you need to add account time from your main account to the current account. Now have a look on the settings. Our service supports 4 modes for promotion, like Instagram Ordinary. You can see here tips. So every time you didn't know just a part of this interface, you can just click here, and you're now educated person. Of course, the button how it works, it can help you every time. And we have 4 main modes: likes, follows, unfollows, and comments. For each mode we have settings, and also you can just doing right here. So expand or collapse the current settings. So if you're, for example, promoting only likes, you can just expand here. If you're promoting only text, you can expand here. So like settings, it's including the type of media. It will be tags or locations. We support geolocations, of course. Follow settings with some of the filter, and the follow source is the tags, followers, or followings of current or some of the usernames of Instagram. You can just follow by the list and for the location. And then unfollow settings. You can set up unfollow source. You can unfollow all users or only users which were followed by only Starqwerty. So you can save your following links, a list. You can just add your comments here, and you can choose a comment source. It will be tags or locations, of course. You can comment some users, no or yes. You can set up here. Just adding comments one by one here and press add comment. For example, cool. You can see, and you can just remove this comment by clicking this cross here. You can also clear all comments here. Tags, one of the main settings for this account. You see, well, for this account, it's a numerous, huge list of tags. So the more tags you're adding to your account, the more effectively will be your promotion on Instagram. And the minimum size of tags for a new one account for our service is 40. You can add tags here by by tapping it one by one, or you can use our search tags service. So you can just put here, for example, word, and then you can see a media count for this word, and just clicking on this word, for example, love, it will be added here for this list of tags. You can also clear all the tags, and you can remove the special tags by clicking cross here. Now location. So for the location, you need to enter exactly address you need to find, and then it will show in 10 meters all locations which were popular by last 30 days with the numbers of photos for this location. So we're using Google Map for this. You need to type here exactly address with the city, with street and the number of home, the number of building, and it will show the exactly locations near 10 meters with this location. Now, for example, let's type Moscow, then, for example, Leningradsky Prospect. For example, number 9, Leningradsky, and then click search. You need to wait for some time for system to searching for the current address and to search for nearby points, geo points. Now it supports only Russian because we're typing Russian here. So here it's the address, and Leningradsky 9. It's for example, Global Travel. It's like business office, and radio. Some ballroom, maybe it's like a restaurant, and medical, some to the bride, it's like a saloon for brides, and the current addresses. So you just need to click what gear points you need, and you see that these are added here. So you can add a lot of gear points. Um, if you need 1, 2, 3, 112, 200, 300, so you can add as lot as you want, and of course it can show you the current addresses in another countries. For example, let's try London. uh, I don't know. So here we entered the Sherlock Holmes office, yes, London Baker Street. You can also use username settings, so you can add here username you need to promote from, yes. So you can use search for usernames, uh, and you can follow uh, the username followers and followings. So for example, you have automobile account, or maybe you can have account with the flowers and with some uh, buildings, and maybe with the medical and some of the kind. And you know that you have competitors, and they have and for example you have a restaurant, of course, and you have a lot of competitors in your country or your town, and you know that they all have their Instagram accounts, and their Instagram accounts is much more popular than yours. So you can find these Instagram accounts and just add to our system, and our system start to follow their followers and followings. Um, so you will get the targeting audience to your account, and you will have clients for your business. Also, you can add here some of the accounts which are using for people just to communicate with each other. For example, your business located in London, so you can add accounts dedicated to the London photos, to London places, to London museums, where people uh, can communicate with each others. You can also follow by the list. Now in our service we uh, don't have feature to search for the targeting audience, so you need to choose another service or software to export the list, and then you can import your list for your targeting audience with uh, these settings, and you can load the list with more than 1000 rows. So when you have done it, our system will start to follow these users. When you are finishing your settings, you need to back to dashboard and then to click start button, and you'll see uh, this one button, and the status of your account will be changed from stop to start. And also you can see here a statistic, how many likes, follows, unfollows, and comments did your account till you started it in our service. And you'll also here will see account time and start time and stop time, your current promotion. So we are thank you for choosing us, and we'd like to know that to inform you that we'll add a lot of new features in September and October, of course. For example, blacklist, and also we'll add the searching for targeting audience to help you to use our list feature following by the list. So be with us, and just remind you to add our email to your whitelist to receive our letters with updates, and of course the list of emails which is dedicated to your account. Thank you very much.